Welcome back to another error video. In this video, I will tell you how to enable voice chat in Roblox. So first going to the setting by clicking the setting icon and then click on the account info. If your mobile number not verified, then first verify your mobile number. After verifying your mobile number, now verify your age. Scan the QR code from the mobile camera on the screen and click the QR link. Now verify your documents and photo. After verifying, show a privacy option. Click on it. Now under microphone and camera input, toggle the use microphone to chat with voice. Select one. The toggle will turn from gray to green, indicating that voice chat has been enabled for your account. So by doing this method, your voice chat is enabled. I hope this video is useful for you. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel and share with friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.